the way Miss Tess has, touched upon the typography and things, a very, very small thing in terms of changing just a face of a font brings a lot of happiness, because brings in a lot of, you know, some kind of attitude, a language, or a theme to a function, or anything. So if I may just start with some kind of, the printing techniques and the kind of printing trends which are happening across. So since I come from a background of, a marketing communications thing, so when we talk about latest printing trends, so there are a lot of ways in which we can do a lot of printing, right? So printing for me, it's more than an art than a science which goes behind it, right? So it's a way of communication. It can be a flyer, it can be a handbook, it can be a picture printed, it can be a poster, flyer, n number of things. So there are n number of applications which we do through printing. So right now, what is happening, people are, becoming a little bit spectacle about touching things because of all those, the containment problems and all those things. So I'm sure printing will take a little bit of backseat for some time. At least when I talk about India market, since it's like very densely populated, we don't know from where and who is coming from where, what the person has touched. I don't know. So obviously things would take a backseat for some time, but just to fill in that gap, digital will come in. And digital, it's always there. It was there, and it will take, a front seat now for some time. So if we talk more on the, in terms of printing, or maybe how would the print be? So for me, I think it would be more of a designing era now than a printing era for some time, because communication would not stop. The way of communication may change. Like, people used to give hard copy invites. Maybe for some time it will shift to e-invites. Then the work of the designer comes in. How do we, cater to those? Because see, for me, invitation, when it comes to invitation, it holds a lot of emotional value. Because in India, if I talk about a marriage or something, if I talk about the northern part of India, so it's a tradition. It's more like the, what how should I put it, the invitation card holds a lot of emotions, wherein when people go to their friends and relatives to invite them for a wedding, so it's more like giving respect. And in fact, there are many families in there are many households wherein the card is being, uh, uh, it's an auspicious thing. So the card is given to the god first. So the god is also invited with a card. So that is something which will not go for sure. Maybe the quantum of that will come down a bit. So this is how I see, in terms of the print, as you say. But those emotions and those traditions will be there. The quantum would come down a bit. And when again I in fact, I was just going through something in terms of how the eco-friendly part, or the green printing part, or the paper part comes in. So there are a number of certifications which are happening right now. That FSC is there, Forest Steward certification. So the panelists from the paper companies would know much better than myself. So FSC certificate, because right now, as a corporate also, when I place some orders to the printers, I also check if the paper which a printer is using, is that a FSC certified or not. Because there are rules and regulation in terms of, are there enough trees getting planted or not? Because we need to be very, very responsible for the nature also. So we need to check on this part, that whatever paper, if I'm placing an order for a brochure, if I'm getting, say, 10,000 brochures printed, so it would be n number of sheets which are getting used, and for that there are n number of trees which would be cut. So from where the mills, the paper is getting made. So are the mills, or whoever is responsible for those, paper manufacturing, are they planting enough trees to stop deforestation and afforestation, all those things. So we need to be very, very, socially responsible when we are doing all these things. So these are the things, very small things, but when we question this, then we get to know, yes, there are many companies, many brands, paper brands, who are already adhering to these guidelines.